front of me is EMPORIA Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by choosing all apps, scrolling down and tapping on devices settings. Now you need to click on connected devices and select pair new device. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now, in order to continue, select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you need to click on this gear icon next to the device, tap on forget and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!